I was
8'4".
So Nicholas was 9'2",
Nope.
and Alyssa was 9'7".
I'm gonna stand up on it.
Hi, Bug.
Hey, if I found my airsoft gun,
Chris, you look normal.
She doesn't want to sit on it. Maybe on her belly. Can we do belly? There we go. There we go. Ready, go. Whee! She's got 1 foot down. She's paddling. She's paddling. Let her paddle. Oh my God.
She's a natural.
Zach, you're gonna have to teach her how to skateboard.
She's like one of those bulldogs that.
Ryan Sheckler.
The next Ryan Sheckler.
What's that? Robbie Dick Doc? Dick, I can't say his last name. Dear.
Yeah.
Yay! Ta-da! Ta-da!
I can break that for you. Pull it right up there.
What a moment.
That is awesome.
That is gonna be a little skateboarder.
I told you I was gonna give birth to a tomboy.
Already.